There weren't so many people in front of me, but it's fun. I really like riding bikes, and it's something I want to do anyways more often, ride to shoot on a bike. But I still am waiting for one to be gifted to me. No one's gifted me a bike yet. So.
बैठने से पहले, to be honest, well, as I said, I don't know many girls who can ride a bike, especially double seat. So बैठने से पहले, yeah, little bit, but बैठने के बाद I was like, wow. It was absolutely amazing.
आप कटरीना के पीछे बाइक पे बैठना चाहोगे?
Of course, कौन कटरीना के पीछे बाइक पे नहीं बैठना चाहेगा? But like I said, it's very hard to take somebody double seat. बहुत control होता है and balance होता है. अभी तक फिलहाल मैंने I have not taken anybody double seat, nor have I have ridden a motorbike which is as heavy as the bike she rode. But जब I guess practice अच्छी होगी तो then I'll probably ask her.
Not technology. I actually did train to ride the bike, and I trained for about 4 or 5 days, really, really hard. And then Zoya shot with me for about 3 hours on the bike. But never mind. It's useful for me. I'm actually seriously thinking of getting a bike and riding around Bombay. I really enjoyed it. It's been fun. I think I'm quite good.